Now we're going to talk about how to evaluate a value for a function, and it's pretty straightforward. The first thing you're going to do is you're literally going to write f of x or g of x or whatever the function is you want, right? So in this case, we're writing f of x equals 3x squared plus 7. So that's just a particular function. Then to find the function value when x is equal to 6, on the next line, you can simply enter f of 6 and it will spit out the value for you. So I'm going to show you how to use Desmos really effectively for a problem like this. So the first thing they're saying f of x is equal to x plus 6, and I'm going to write it in as I'm saying it, x plus 6, x plus 5, and x minus 4. So there's our function. It renders the graph. No big deal. Now, they also show a translation. Okay, so this is very interesting. Now, we can write the translation like they did, or we can spice it up a little bit. We can use a new function here and set that equal to f of x minus 3. So g of x is now f of x transformed down by 3. That's a vertical transformation, right? So we can just check there. Yep, it looks like it dropped it appropriately by subtracting 3. So that's pretty good. So now we got g of x. Now, I want to know which one of these tables is the right table, right? So I see, for example, g of negative 6, okay, because they're saying which table represents the y function, which is g. G of negative 6, which one will it be? Negative 9, negative 3, negative 3, or 3? Let's try it. So we're literally going to say g of negative 6. Boom. And it spits out my value of negative 3. So I already know I'm down to B or C. Now let's look at negative 5, right? Is it going to be negative 3 or negative 2? Let's type in g of negative 5. Look at that. It gives us negative 3. So this means that B, therefore, must be the answer. That's how you do it. Done.